Alright, it's gonna be the Google Glass first time unboxing. Got this stupid grip thingy on the side. I'm really good at this. So that's upside down, but it says it's here. If you have an Android phone, download the My Glass app to get started. If you don't, go to google.com/glass/help/setup on your computer. Or you can get a guide from google.com/glass-C2C. We've got a handy dandy little terrible focus. Little shades. Active shades. And then the glass itself.
It's really out of focus.
Oh, that's alright. Terrible. Yeah, see, glass. I got the shale color. Ooh. It's black on the bottom. Looks like it just lifts up. Let's put this guy over here. And there's the glass. On the back side of this, there's another let's get started. Boom, boom, boom. Google. And then this weird kind of
Film?
baking paper, kind of wax paper, that's what it's called. So you just grab a little pull tab. Pull it open. And here's the glass itself. So you got a little listen. That's the bone transducer. On-off switch, touchscreen, little capture button, and the glass itself.
Did someone buy your iPhone?
Cool.
Very nice.
Underneath it, got the carrying case.
I saw a big ass pouch.
Yeah. It's got a little black thing on the bottom as well.
Oh, for the...
Yeah, so when it's in there, it's not going to get smashed up.
Cool.
And we've got the earbud that comes with the second edition. The first edition only had the bone transducer. You can buy stereo ones, but they're $50, and of course they're sold out. So yeah, it's kind of cool looking. It's got a different design than what most people would think of in headsets. We've got the charging cable with the auxiliary jack, and then this is probably a cleaning cloth. Oh no, it's the get started. Oh no, it's the nose mount things. So you've got some extra nose mounts. Kind of weird looking. And we've got you're a pioneer, a founder, and architect of what's possible. You're a Glass Explorer. You have an exciting journey ahead of you, and what happens next starts with you. Start exploring at google.com/glass. And then, of course, you got questions, we got answers. Just frequently asked questions, probably warranty information. Is glass indestructible? No. Is glass useful everywhere? Like everything, there's a time and a place. And can I use glass while driving or bicycling? It depends on what you are, or where you are, and how you use it. Really vague. Can everyone use glass? Can you use glass while operating a jackhammer? So just really stupid questions. I guess safety information is how you would sum this up. And you can get all of these at google.com/safety. And that looks like it. Thanks for watching.